Hello everyone! Another incredible week passed, and another incredible podcast is here. There's plenty to share with you today, so let's see what is new in power semiconductors industry. Vishay Intertechnology introduced the world's best P-channel trench-fed MOSFET. With the lowest on resistance, the new Vishay Siliconix SQJA81EP increases power density and efficiency in automotive applications. The on resistance of the automotive-grade MOSFET released is 28% lower than the closest competing device in the APEC package, while offering a 50% smaller footprint and 31% lower than previous generation solutions. These values translate into energy savings by minimizing power losses from conduction while allowing higher output for increased power density. Samples in production quantities are available now with lead times of 14 weeks. Chinese electronics manufacturer Wingtech Technology will invest $1.8 billion to build a factory that makes semiconductors for electric vehicles in Shanghai, moving to produce a key component domestically amid a global chip supply crunch. Wintec is building the plant together with Nexperia, a Dutch chip-making subsidiary. The facility is expected to become operational next year. The new plant will produce discrete semiconductors such as power chips and transistors. Using 12-inch wafers, the facility will have the capacity to turn out 400,000 wafers a year, among the highest for discretes. Until now, Nexperia only had back-end semiconductor assembly processes in China. The new factory will be the first time for the company to take part in front-end processes in China. The European Commission has approved Austria providing about $170 million in state aid for semiconductor technology to Infineon Technologies, NXP Semiconductor and AT&S. The Austrian subsidiaries of Infineon, NXP and AT&S have been allowed to join an existing important project of common European interest, IPCOI, in microelectronics approved by the Commission in 2018. The public funding is expected to unlock additional $620 million of investment from the companies. As of April 1, 2021, ROHM Semiconductor Europe appoints Wolfram Harnack as the company's new president. The former president Toshimitsu Suzuki will lead the European sales division as general manager from April 1 from the company's headquarters in Japan. Wolfram Harnack joined ROHM Semiconductor Europe as managing director in October 2020. Wolfram Harnack holds a degree in electrical engineering. In January 2008, he joined ROHM as sales director for the first time. In 2015, he moved to Mitsubishi, where he worked until he returned to ROHM in October 2020. British private equity firm CVC Capital Partners has proposed a buyout of Toshiba Corporation to take it private, the Japanese firm's president said, in a deal likely worth around $18 billion. The investment firm will discuss terms with the management of the Japanese electronics and infrastructure conglomerate and engage in talks with the Japanese government about screening the proposed acquisition. EV chargers require the smallest, most efficient converters at a competitive price point. Common knowledge says higher switching frequencies reduce filter size, but there are limitations to this principle. Switching devices, for instance, may become prohibitively expensive at extreme switching frequencies. With the new silicon carbide portfolio, Semichrome now has the tools to push these limits further. In this webinar on April 20, Semichrome will compare power module selection with filter design. Additionally, they will offer insights into the findings of converter development. Over the last couple of years, new innovative semiconductor technologies emerged that generate a paradigm shift in the power management market. Silicon carbide and gallium nitride now offer much more efficient power conversion properties, especially used for applications in industrial, automotive and consumer electronics market. These technologies are collectively known as wide bandgap solutions, as they offer a larger bandgap than traditional solutions. Along with their energy-saving credentials, they also can provide significant weight, volume, and life cycle cost reductions across all devices. 2021 will be the year of wide bandgap technology. Together with leading suppliers, EBV bundles up all you need to know about state-of-the-art of silicon carbide and gallium nitride solutions and their benefits in different applications. This webinar is scheduled on April 21-22. APEC 2021 will be presented on the virtual event platform Social 27. The virtual format will not only ensure the safety of the community, it will also allow more of the global community of power professionals to participate, more flexibility in accessing live on-demand and recorded content, live Q&A sessions, a complete virtual exposition, and multiple ways to network on a robust virtual platform. APEC 2021 will be presented on the virtual event platform Social 27 and will take place on June 14 to 17, 2021. This is it for today. Hope you enjoyed this issue. I thank everyone for watching and encourage to tune in next Tuesday via my YouTube channel. As usual, go to Marketing Cycle website for more information or join me in social media. Have a great week.